What if one of the most legendary cars in American history suddenly returned with futuristic technology, luxury performance, and a design so beautiful that people couldn't believe it was actually a Ford? Hi friends, imagine seeing a machine inspired by the iconic Ford Model T, the car that changed the world forever, but now reborn as a modern luxury roadster for 2026. Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly why the internet is exploding with rumors, concept designs, and fan-made renderings showing what could become the most shocking automotive comeback of the decade. The original Ford Model T wasn't just a car. It was a revolution. It put America on wheels and changed transportation forever. But now designers and car enthusiasts are imagining what would happen if Ford decided to bring back that legendary spirit with modern engineering, aggressive styling, next-generation technology, and performance powerful enough to compete with today's luxury sports cars. And honestly, some of these futuristic concepts look absolutely insane. We're talking about a low-slung retro-inspired roadster with glowing LED lighting, massive wheels, handcrafted luxury interiors, electric or hybrid performance, and a design that perfectly mixes classic American heritage with futuristic innovation. Some rumors even suggest Ford could explore limited edition heritage vehicles to celebrate its legendary history. And if that ever happens, the 2026 Ford Model T Roadster could instantly become one of the most talked about cars on the planet. Today we're diving deep into everything people are imagining about this incredible machine, including the futuristic exterior, luxury interior, possible powertrain options, advanced technology, performance expectations, and why this roadster could completely redefine retro-inspired American cars forever. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why car lovers everywhere are obsessed with the idea of a modern Ford Model T reborn for the future. The 2026 Ford Model T Roadster is imagined as a perfect blend of classic history and modern performance. Instead of copying the original car exactly, designers envision a futuristic interpretation that respects the spirit of the legendary Model T while transforming it into something bold, luxurious, and unforgettable. The front design could feature circular LED headlights inspired by the original Model T, combined with an illuminated grille and smooth aerodynamic bodywork that gives the car a clean yet aggressive personality. The hood may stretch long and low like a classic roadster, while sharp body lines and sculpted fenders create a muscular appearance from every angle. Massive alloy wheels with futuristic detailing could completely transform the vehicle's stance, making it look like a concept car straight out of a sci-fi movie. From the side, the low roofline and open-top roadster design would instantly give the car a premium grand touring feel. Chrome accents mixed with matte finishes could help preserve the old-school heritage, while still feeling modern and luxurious. At the rear, thin LED taillights, active aerodynamic elements, and a glowing Ford emblem could create one of the most recognizable designs on the road. But the real magic of the 2026 Ford Model T Roadster may come from what's underneath the body. Some automotive artists imagine the vehicle powered by a high-performance electric system capable of delivering instant torque and supercar-level acceleration. Others believe Ford could combine a hybrid twin-turbo engine with electric assistance to create the perfect balance between classic driving emotion and future technology. Imagine this roadster launching from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, while still maintaining the timeless soul of a classic American car. That combination alone would make this machine unforgettable. Performance rumors also suggest advanced suspension systems, adaptive driving modes, rear-wheel steering, and next-generation traction control designed to make the car feel smooth during daily driving but aggressive when pushed hard on open roads. Because this is imagined as a luxury heritage roadster, comfort would play a huge role as well. Inside the cabin, the futuristic Model T Roadster could feature premium leather seating, polished aluminum details, real wood trim, ambient lighting, and a fully digital dashboard hidden beneath retro-inspired styling. The steering wheel may include classic design touches while still integrating modern controls and advanced driver technology. A massive infotainment display with wireless connectivity, voice control, navigation, and AI-assisted driving systems could bring the car fully into the modern era. Ford may also include customizable drive themes that allow drivers to switch between classic-inspired gauge layouts and futuristic digital interfaces. One of the biggest reasons people are so excited about this idea is because it represents more than just another sports car. The Ford Model T is one of the most important vehicles ever created. Reimagining it as a futuristic luxury roadster would create an emotional connection between the past and future of American automotive history. It would remind people where the car industry started, while showing how far technology has evolved over the last century. And honestly, very few brands in the world have the heritage needed to pull something like this off successfully. Pricing for a vehicle like this would likely place it firmly in the luxury performance category. Experts imagine a limited production model could start around $80,000 and climb far beyond $150,000 for premium editions with exclusive materials and performance upgrades. If Ford ever produced something this special, demand would likely explode instantly among collectors, enthusiasts, and luxury car fans around the world. Even though the 2026 Ford Model T Roadster remains a concept idea for now, the excitement surrounding these futuristic renderings proves one thing very clearly. People still love classic American cars, especially when they're reimagined with modern technology and breathtaking design. And if Ford ever decides to turn this dream into reality, the result could become one of the most iconic retro-futuristic cars ever built. The original Model T changed transportation forever, and this futuristic roadster could once again prove that Ford knows how to capture the imagination of the entire automotive world.